Hey, Crunchified Clean friends, here's a quick tip on bathroom cleaning. After you have dusted top to bottom, left to right, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my other YouTube video about speed cleaning. And you've wiped down all the counters, you brought all the dust and dirt and debris down to the bottom. Now let's talk about cleaning the bottom. If you have a vacuum cleaner with a hose, that's your best bet to go around and vacuum up any any dirt, gunk, or debris or dust off the floor. If you don't, then invest in good quality microfiber towels. I get mine from Microfiber Wholesale. I will include my link. They are the best. I have lots of videos showing how high quality they are. They pick up dust and debris like nobody's business. They are amazing. So you want to focus on going around the bottom of the bathroom, behind the toilet, corners. Pick up all that dust, and don't forget to clean your sink too. Got more videos coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-oily cleaning tips. Make sure your notifications is turned on so that you'll see when I post a new video, and feel free to comment with any questions or concerns that you may have so that we can interact, because I love to share. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.